Alright, I finally get the perfect hole, and I want it to be a little bit tight so it's nice and strong. Perfect. Voila. And then next to it you have the stove, which fits perfectly. Here you go. So you got a little nice space right here. Just chop some of the veggies or whatever you need to do. Here you got your sink and cold and hot water, and also a water filter right next to it, connected to the water tank over there, which is 70 liters. And then down here underneath the sink you'll have a hose, then it's connected all the way down to the floor, and all the food scraps will be catch using a strainer, and the gray water will just drain through somewhere. But it's all good because I'm gonna be using an organic detergent, so I'm not harming the environment somehow. So there you go. You get a nice bench top right here with a bathroom and a bed. That everything is right in front of you. So basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting a hole into this bench so I can put the sink. So next to the stove you'll have a sink and your little bench top here to chop your vegetables and everything. And underneath we'll have the fridge and all the plumbing system underneath, and it will have the propane gas underneath as well, or LPG. So the most important part is that after you cut this particle board, you need to seal the side of it so that the water doesn't get in. If the water that gets in, the board will become damaged and it will swell after a while. So you gotta make sure the holes are properly filled up. And what Sienna is doing right now is just fill it up with white sealant.
Yeah, it's a waterproof one.
You wanna see what the sealant looks like? Yeah, it's one of those wet area sealant. It's white, so it goes along with the bench top.